I know many of y'all have doubts and issues about past tense and present perfect. Okay. When to use past tense, when to use present perfect. That's the main problem you have. Today I'm going to explain everything, the main difference between past tense and present perfect tense. I hope everything, all the doubts and issues will be resolved hereafter. So before we begin, let me explain to you the structures. Let's I will show you the structures of past tense and present perfect tense in brief. Okay, past tense, doer, past verb, object. Present perfect tense, the structure is doer, the person who does the action, plus has or have, plus past participle verb, plus object. So we use has for singular doers and have for plural doers. Okay. Actually, many of you all know the structures. The only problem is when to use this. Let me get two examples like this. I ate a dragon fruit yesterday. I have eaten dragon fruits. What's the difference? I ate a dragon fruit yesterday. I have eaten dragon fruit. So I ate a dragon fruit yesterday. We know the time, we know the date. In Sinhala, in simple language, මම ඊයේ dragon fruit එකක් කෑවා. I have eaten dragon fruit. මම කවද හරි dragon fruit එකක් කාලා තියෙනවා. That means I don't know where, when, but I can't remember when and where, but I have eaten dragon fruit, so I know the taste. One day I have eaten dragon fruit. මම dragon fruit කාලා තියෙනවා. So that's the main difference. Former Sri Lankan cricketer Mahela Javadana scored 77 50s in ODIs. Sri Lankan cricketer Charit Asalanka has scored 15 50s in ODIs. So both examples talk about Sri Lankan cricketers and their half centuries. So one example is in past tense and the other is in present perfect tense. Why is that? Okay. You know, Mahela Javadana is retired. So he doesn't play cricket anymore. And he can't make 50s anymore. So it's finished. So we use past tense. Mahela Javadana scored 77 50s in ODIs. It will never happen again. Finished in the past. But Charit Asalanka still plays. He has more time to make half centuries in the future. So we use present perfect tense. He has made 15 50s, but he will make more 50s in the future. He has made 15 50s so far, but he's still playing, so he has more time to make half centuries. So that's another difference. A team of Russian scientists has discovered a medicine for cancer. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin to fight bacterial infection in 1928. So, both sentences talk about scientists and their discoveries. So, while one is in past tense and the other is in present perfect. A team of Russian scientists has discovered recently. So to talk about recent things, like somebody has discovered something, invented something, found something, yes, recently. So we use present perfect tense. But Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin long time ago. So we use past tense. I have known Mrs. Ranasinghe since the first day at the school. I knew Mrs. Ranasinghe when I was schooling. What's the difference? Both sentences talk about Mrs. Ranasinghe. I have known mean I have known Mrs. Ranasinghe means I still know her. That means I am still in touch with Mrs. Ranasinghe. I call her, I talk to her, I meet her, like that. But I knew Mrs. Ranasinghe mean I am not in touch with Mrs. Ranasinghe anymore. That means I have known mean our contact still continues. I knew Mrs. Ranasinghe. The contact, I have lost the contact now. Former cricket umpire Dickie Bird has passed away. In the news items, they use present perfect tense to mention the headline. They use present perfect tense in the headline. Then they continue the story in past tense. Today we talked everything about past tense and present perfect tense. Everything is clear. Now you can practice present perfect tense and past tense, and you can use them in appropriate situations with no doubt. I'll bring another important lesson in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.